So this is the last part of me and Bruiser Bike riding down Mountain Creek. I have never hit Lower Dominion nor Salvation before, but luckily Bruiser Bike has, especially on a hardtail, so he's gonna tow me in. I was not expecting to hit this in the beginning of the season, but got a good guy, trust me.
Ooh, that was a hit. Hard case, hard case. Hard case the last, second to the last one. That one actually hurt a little.
I kind of went for the second one, but I shouldn't have because like, I had no speed.
Yeah.
Still okay.
Yeah.
Still all right.
The landing pads is smooth. It hasn't been rutted out yet.
Yeah.
Where it becomes like a double. I'm gonna walk this shit. You want me to try to lead? I'll try to lead. Not gonna clear anything, but hey, whatever, right? What? All right, I'm dropping in. Right. You ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa, that one was close. That's the one that I was worried about. All right, I'm ready. I'm recording.
I'm gonna make myself busy before we go real quick.
Yes, clear this one. Yes. I cleared it too. Yeah.
I cased every one of them.
Really?
I actually
Right,
mistimed the last one and I squashed it by accident.
At least I
and
get
I
to see
still
what it
cleared
looks
it
like, you
because
know?
I cleared the first two. So speed pushed me through on this one.
Whoa.
I was actually gonna roll over this rainbow,
I didn't know there
but
was
the
a-
video never
was a
shows
kick
that
over
lip.
there.
So I was kind of half committed and I saw the lip and I had to go jump it.
Whoa. Okay. That was too close for my comfort.
So I almost died twice in succession over here because I was getting tired and I didn't level my bike out, so I landed back wheel heavy. So after I landed, I was trying to push the bike forward again, and then I didn't put any preload in my back wheels, and that sent me nose heavy. So I went back heavy, nose heavy, had to slow down.
Not gonna hit this one. Oh, this ain't so bad. Easy. Because I already used up 2 of my lives on that back wheel heavy landing and the nose heavy. Oh shit. Oh, but I hit it, man. That was my my goal list. And honestly, it doesn't seem that ridiculous either.
No, it's not too bad.
It's just the psyching out part.
Yeah, repetition helps too.
Yep.
You keep doing it, like you'll be able to fly through the whole thing.
Because the angle of the lips I'm used to, it's just the speed I'm not. So my timing on the preload is completely jacked up. When I said easy, I didn't even candy land. Whew. Joe gapping the jump here. Yep, he killed it. I don't got anywhere enough speed from here.
Well, this concludes our ride with both of us shredding down Mountain Creek with our purple hardtails. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.